diabetes, and I get asked regularly by parents and by people with diabetes, does it have to be an injection? And at the moment the answer is yes, but this will give the hope that they can develop a tablet which will do the job instead.
Brenda.
90% of Australians who have diabetes have type 2 diabetes, which is related to lifestyle and in particular obesity. Does this offer any hope to them?
Well, 40% of people in Australia with type 2 take insulin. So, in fact, there are more people taking insulin in Australia who have type 2 than there are people with type 1 diabetes in Australia. Obviously, they're both really important.
Oh, dogs, you're going to wreck it.
With type 2 as well are taking tablets instead of insulin.
So, Judy, we are waiting on how long will it be until we see this medication on the market? Will it be days, weeks, or even months?
You have to make sure it's okay in cell culture, and make sure it's okay before you start the early human studies. Because we have it works. So a replacement
Brenda.
must be safe.
Brenda.
So it will take time.
So
What you doing?
can be very excited about this news. And humans in the future.
Rodent, this is really cool. If you're a person with diabetes, so I think what it does offer is hope.
Well, it's great news, and Jenny, thanks for helping us understand it.